Hitachi Consulting undertook this research because fundamentally, as a consumer, I know that the market is changing. When I look around, the way that I interact with retailers has changed. And it's my job to make sure that the technologies that we implement and the business intelligence solutions that we sell actually deliver real value back to the retailers and to our customers. So for me, it is all about really understanding how the market's changing, understanding what consumers want, and then for us to be able to put the technology and plug the technology into that. The major finding for me is the change in behaviour of customers. Customers are a lot more savvy, so now they expect to have an experience in store that adds value. I think gone are the days when you can power products in a store and expect to sell them. You have to offer something around those in terms of providing information, a better in-store experience. I think also mobility is a huge topic, so looking at how customers now interact with their mobile devices, what they expect in terms of a service from those devices and how that translates back into sales from a retail perspective is really important. And I think thirdly for me, definitely the customers have a tendency now to want to transact from home, they want to transact from work. They're not necessarily going to walk into your store to do business with you, and I think that's a key finding for me out of the survey. Okay, business intelligence is a term that's used a lot on the industry, not just retail, but across all different industries. For me, it's not necessarily the best description. I think retailers need to really at the moment focus on knowing their customer. So if we can take away the BI label or the data warehousing label or the big data label, at the back of all this is know your customer and understand your business. And I think all retailers collect a lot of data. A lot of it lies around in systems and is not correctly utilised. For me, that will be the key for business intelligence, is really knowing your customer, knowing your data and understanding how that can drive your business. There are two examples of retailers that are using BI well. Tesco's and Amazon are great examples of understanding the value of data and therefore using BI or knowing a customer or finding the shopping particle to drive their business. There's a lot of retailers out there that have all the pieces but just haven't put them together properly, and it's our challenge as an organisation to come and help you do that. So all retailers have a wealth of information from their EPOS systems, from their transactional systems, from their websites, and the trick is being able to combine all that data together. Where big data helps is that, in the past you've had to go out and spend a lot of money building structures and formalize models to analyze that data. Big data brings the computing power to the retailer and enables them to perform more ad hoc analysis and to be able to ask the kind of quick what-if reactive questions that business needs. So big data really empowers you to start asking those ad hoc questions that are really important.